Do you want to optimize your blog for search engines? If you answered yes, you're in the right place. Welcome to a comprehensive guide on keyword research, the essential step in achieving that goal. Firstly, understand your niche. It's important to zero in on the main topic or niche of your blog because this knowledge allows you to concentrate on relevant keywords your audience is likely searching for. Next, conduct competitor analysis. Researching your competitors can provide valuable insights into the keywords they are targeting and ranking for. Identify seed keywords. Seed keywords are the foundation of your keyword research. They are broad terms that are related to your niche and can be used to generate more specific keyword ideas. Use keyword research tools. There are various tools available that can help you in your keyword research process. These tools provide data on search volume, competition, and other metrics to help you make informed decisions. Expand your keyword list. Once you have your seed keywords, it's time to expand your list by finding related keywords and long-tail variations. Analyze keyword metrics. Look at metrics like search volume, competition, and relevance to determine the potential of each keyword. Consider user intent. Understanding the intent behind a search query is crucial in selecting the right keywords. Organize your keywords. Group your keywords into categories or themes to make it easier to create content around them. Monitor and update your keyword strategy. Keyword research is an ongoing process, so it's important to regularly monitor your rankings and make adjustments as needed. In conclusion, keyword research is a vital step in optimizing your blog for search engines. By understanding your niche, analyzing competitors, and using the right tools, you can uncover valuable keywords that will drive organic traffic to your blog. Next, brainstorm topics. Compile a list of subject matters related to your niche that you intend to write about. These themes should resonate with your audience. Now it's time to use a keyword research tool. Tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, Ahrefs, or Ubersuggest can provide valuable insights into search volume, competition, and related keywords. Start with seed keywords. These are the terms that best represent your blog content. Plug these into your chosen keyword research tool to generate a list of related keywords. The next step is analyzing search volume. Look for keywords that people are actively searching for, but remember to weigh the competition for these keywords. Consider long-tail keywords. These more specific keywords can attract a more targeted audience. They may have lower search volume, but they usually face less competition. Aim for a blend of short and long-tail keywords. Analyze competition. High competition keywords may be challenging to rank for, especially if your blog is new. Striking a balance between competitiveness and relevance is key. Focus on user intent. It's crucial to match your content with what users are looking for when they type in a particular keyword. Check trends. Use tools like Google Trends to understand how the popularity of a keyword changes over time and to identify current and seasonal keywords. Review related searches. The related searches, or people also ask sections on search engine results pages, can offer additional keyword ideas and insights into user queries. Consider geographic targeting. If your blog caters to a local audience, include location-based keywords. Finally, create a keyword strategy. This is your plan for naturally incorporating selected keywords into your content. Remember to avoid keyword stuffing and to prioritize providing valuable and relevant content. Keyword research is a continuous process. Update your keyword strategy regularly based on changing trends, audience behavior, and your content's performance in search results. To recap, understanding your niche, brainstorming topics, utilizing keyword research tools, analyzing search volume and competition, focusing on user intent, checking trends, reviewing related searches, considering geographic targeting, and creating a keyword strategy are all vital steps in the keyword research process. Remember, keyword research is not just about getting your blog to rank higher in search results. It's about attracting the right audience and providing them with the content they're looking for. Now go forth and conquer the world of keywords.